Dear student, today I will solve remaining question of exercise 1.5 in set. Question number 4. If U is a set, element are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and another set E is equal to element have 2, 4, 6, 8, and B set element have 2, 3, 5, 7. Verify that first part A union B complement is equal to complement of A intersection complement of B. Now solution of this question, verify. So now U given U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and A is equal to element 2, 4, 6, 8, and B is equal to set 2, 3, 5, 7. So now first part, now we find A union B. A union B is equal to A union B element of A 2, 4, 6, 8, and union B element have 2, 3, 5, 7. So A union B, all element are set A or set B, and common element write only one time. So 2, 2, only 1, 2, 4, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And A union B, complement of A union B is equal to U minus A union B. So U for those elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and A union B 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So complement of A union B is equal to complement those element of U not present in A union B. So this is 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is present, so this is 9. And also A dash U minus A. So U for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and A means element have 2, 4, 6, and 8. So U minus A, so this is 1, 2, 2 present, and 2, 4, and 6, 8 present. So those element of U not present in this set. So 1, so this is 3, this is 5, this is 7, and 9, and B dash is equal to U minus B. So B U for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and P for element 2, 2, 3, 5, 7. So this is 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 present. So 1, 4, 6, 8 and 9. So B dash. So this is A intersection B, A dash intersection B dash is equal to A dash means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and intersection B dash 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. So intersection means only taken common element both set. So 1 comma 9, 1 comma 9. So this is A intersection B dash. So this is this, and A union B dash. So this is A union B complement. So this is both are equal. So therefore A union B dash is equal to A complement intersection B complement. This is proof. Question number 4, second part, complement of A intersection B is equal to complement of A intersection complement of B. So now given U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and B set given 2, 3, 5, 7, and A set elements 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. So now LHS. So find, initially we find A intersection B. A intersection B is equal to element 2, 4, 6, 8, and intersection B element 2, 3, 5, 7. So only taken common element both set. So this is 2 common, and so only 2. A intersection B, and complement of A intersection B is equal to U minus A intersection B. So U element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus A intersection only 2. So now those elements not present in this set, so only 2. This is at least 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is A intersection B of complement. And also L, R, H, S. So RHS A dash is equal to U minus A. So U for only take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and minus those elements A 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is 2, 2, 4 and 6 and 8 present in this. So only 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 8, this is not 9. Those elements not present in this set, this is U minus A. This is complement of A. Complement of B is equal to U minus B. So U for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus B element 2, 3, 5, 7. So 2, 3, 5, 7. So B dash means 1, 4, 6, 8 and 9. This is B dash. So we find A intersection B dash is equal to, this is A 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and also 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. So those elements present in this set. So this is so A intersection. So second part, complement of A intersection B is equal to complement of A union complement of B, not A dash intersection B dash. So now this so RHS now complement of A find and complement of B. So A union B now take. So this is complement of A 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 element and union, and complement of B element have 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. So 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. So complement of A union complement of B is equal to all element A are all element first set or second set, but common element only one times right here. So this 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is complement of A union B dash and intersection this. So all element are same. This is therefore A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So this is LHS is equal to RHS. Question number 5. Draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. First part, complement of A union B. Complement of A union B, this is Venn diagram. Draw. So now U universal set represent a rectangle and set A and B represent set with circle. So this is circle and this is circle. So now set A and set B let. So A union B, complement of A union B means all element A and B. Complement of So intersection only, taken as intersection only. So this is A union, complement of A union B. Also this is first part and second part. So A complement B complement. So this is also same first part. So U and set A and B, A and B. So this is also called A complement of A union B and equal to complement of A intersection complement of B by De Morgan law. So first part and second part are same by De Morgan law. A U B complement is equal to complement of A intersection complement of B. So these are same figure. And also third part Venn diagram represent with universal set U and this is intersection A and B. So complement of A intersection, this is complement A intersection B, this is this, so complement, so out, so this is here and this is here. So this is A intersection B complement. So this is here and fourth part as same process, A dash union B dash. So this is also rectangle, draw same, this is U and diagram with the help A intersection B. So same way complement of A and complement of A, this is complement of A, so this is this and also this is complement of this B. So this is A, this is complement of A and B and third part and fourth part are same by figure and De Morgan law apply. A intersection B complement is equal to A union B dash. Question number 6. Let U universal set be the set of all triangle in plane you have set of all triangle in a plane and another a set is the set of all triangle with at least one angle different 60. So what is the A dash? What is A dash? A dash means solution. A dash mean set of all set of all equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle A dash, because A is the set of all triangle with at least one angle different 60. Any all triangle at least one angle 60, and U be the set of all triangle in the plane. So it is complement of set of all equilateral triangle. That's all. Thank you.